Oh boy, this one where you happy the arrangement just because your girlfriend will come. You hold condom for there?
Okay, condom. That's Sandra, my baby, to come, man. You don't listen, only she wanna get. I get pure.
I beg, why this thing never clear from your eye? Sandra want no way get plenty bobo for outside. Ta! Okay, guy. Suppose he say Sandra gets 3 bobo for outside, and his first boyfriend gets 2 girlfriends, and his second boyfriend can't get 3 girlfriends, and his third boyfriend will fit get 4 girlfriends. Any nyama disease will enter their body fit reach you. Now so the risk to catch HIV they multiply by dozens. See as you open eye like say you see winch. The best way to prevent HIV now to the whole body. But if body can strong pass you, get one uninfected partner and they use condom all the time.
Person they catch HIV if you know they use condom every time, or they jump from one person to another, or they share sharp things with other people. Try hold body. Now Society for Family Health and the government of Nigeria bring on this message.